this video, we're going to compare the immersive experiences of Monet and Van Gogh.
The Monet Immersive Experience is currently in our hometown of Richmond, Virginia, and there's a lot to see.
Claude Monet was one of the French Impressionists who not only had an impact on painting, he was also influenced by another medium that was just emerging, photography.
We think digital photography now, we think pixels, everything's ones and zeros. So if Monet was looking at a scene, he was breaking those blocks down into pixels and zeros, but with blocks of color paint, oil instead.
I've often thought of Monet's paintings as blurry, but now I see that was the point.
It was all about the light and the color, not the crisp line.
Yeah, I really do love how he just gives you enough information to know what's there. But it's the impression of, like with his faces, and when Impressionism started, like his first painting was not well received. Critics said, oh, it's just an impression of something. He's like, okay, I'll go with that.
This room was definitely a highlight. Monet's water lily pond come to life.
He actually lived on his own boat at times, so he had a floating mobile studio.
Oh, you are so green.
For more about the Van Gogh experience, check out the video we did when it was here in Richmond.
Then there's the Immersion Room, where you can sit in a chair and watch the images projected on the walls.
Also, in both exhibits, there are extras you can pay for, including a green screen where you can get a picture taken with a famous painting from each artist. We didn't do all the extras they had to offer, but I did get a digital copy of my portrait as Monet's subject, and I love how it makes me look so much younger. It's really cool that you can do a drawing, and it becomes part of the exhibition when it goes up on the walls.
Of course I gotta get a Monet dress.
You put the Monet into the money jar.
Monet versus Van Gogh. Oh, well, their styles, different, but I love the projection. I mean, totally sitting in that room and having all the different Monets go around and the leaves flutter through. It was like in it.
The bridge, the room that had the practicals.
Yeah. So we could, all the stuff on the sides, and then we could walk over the bridge.
I think we both maybe identify with Van Gogh's style of art and painting. Maybe more.
It's a little rough. It's a little, emotional.
Right, and Monet is got pretty.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Well, it was all about light. I mean,
Yeah.
It was like trying to capture the light in that moment and the beauty in that moment.
Right, and I think one thing I really liked about this one, I feel like I learned a little bit more. Maybe I just didn't remember the everything that was written on the Van Gogh one, but this one, I feel like I learned a lot more about photography and how Monet's, impressionist was really like a precursor to photography.
I don't know. I think photography helped inspire Impressionists because they were doing the black and white. And when you look at a black and white, you really see a lot of light.
So overall, I would say Monet was worth the money.
No, absolutely. Monet was definitely worth the money.
So come see it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.